What a great view, what a brilliant home, and what a fantastic start to the new year it means for you. If you're looking for a landing pad in Grey Lynn, then 10 Rona Ave needs to be top of your list. All the essentials are well covered here, with 3 great sized bedrooms, an open plan living and dining, and several off-street car parks. The floors have been recently sanded and are immaculate, and the kitchen is new and ready for you to cook up a storm while entertaining. And to that end, the incredibly sunny rear garden is perfectly positioned to capture all that afternoon light, and I am very sure you will spend many afternoons and evenings out here watching the sunset on the Waitakere Ranges. This home is perfect for those who are looking to get their start in Grey Lynn, or perhaps those who live in the area and are looking to downsize. The photos and video just don't do it justice, so make sure you come along to the viewings. We look forward to seeing you here.